This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Trygar. Charming 3-bed/2-bath ranch in a cul-de-sac with a huge backyard in highly desired Lake Placid. Home features a large kitchen with stainless steel appliances, updated flooring throughout, all brick wood burning fireplace, laundry room, and attached garage. Home will not last long. Call for an appointment to view today. For more information, review the details below or contact Trygar at 757-470-1139.